everyone. I'm Abhilasha Saikia and I scored 100 percentile in my subject geography in my CUET examinations. For my CUET preparations, I took immense help from CUET Mocks, which provides you a number of mock tests which are different, not repeated, and they're very detailed as well. Now, for me, I had subjects like psychology and sociology, and I faced quite a lot of difficulties in finding different questions and different mock tests for those subjects. But with CUET mocks, not only did I find previous year sample papers of different slots as well, but I found a number of different mock tests, which helped me a lot in practicing because practice makes a man perfect. So you have to practice as much as you can. And for that, CUET mocks was of a lot of help for me. Thank you.